only in the old link, huh? Why? What is the old link? Same nama, old link also. Why it is not working? What happened, online people? Then why confusion arise in the group? Sutilaya joined, huh? Vishal, Suraj, Jachau. Yeah, started a meeting is different, but is not there in the Google Classroom, nama. Your Google Classroom, the Saturday link is not there. Did you notice? Online people. Saturday combined, na? Online students. Saturday meeting link is not there in the Google Classroom. Okay, na? If anything is there, I will update. Now, I am not updating means what you are following in the Google Classroom, that is the only thing. No confusion. Shall open Jupyter notebooks. Chalo. So happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone. You are my brothers and sisters. You are my brothers and sisters. You are brothers, you are sisters. Okay. So happy Raksha Bandhan. And I hope this year you will get job. But those who are practicing only. Conditions are applied. Those who are not practice. Govardhan, how are you? Surender, how are you? Fine. Those who are not practice, they will not get job. Yes or no? Say yes, no? If you don't do that, if you don't do that, and you will get job, huh? Bad people you are. Happy Raksha Bandhan, ma. Shall encoding, huh? Finish this. Yeah. Thank you so much. Hope I should be good health. My father is asking on the day, what happened to your throat? That is, there's a 8:30 to 1:30 non-stop class, and again 6 to 9 non-stop class. The itching is what, na? You people are not practicing. That is itching more. That is. So if you're not practicing, how will get job, ma? How will get job? Practice is very, very important. Online people especially. Nowadays, online people are behaving like we are not at all related to this world. Nowadays. That is very, very bad, ma. See, generation is changing. In this generation, is rapidly it is growing, that is. It is not like a old generation, even though you are getting so much gap, even though you are getting not study. In this generation, you can do the miracles. Okay. Even a Instagram influencer become a heroine. Besides a parent star. Generation change, na? Have you ever thought that is? No, I didn't thought that. Don't do that Instagram reels now onwards. Okay, that's a different thing. Generally, what happened, na? What is we need to do is called respect. Respect. Respect is very, very important. When you will get respect, you will get job, you will get respect. Okay. Love, don't believe in love. Love will change. Boys love change every day. Girls love change time to time. First they will love father, then they will love husband, then they will love children's. Love change, then what will not change? Respect. If you are Jindar Marga, people will remember in what way? Respect only. There's a guy is there. He has done many things. Like your grandchildren will say, na? Like that. There's a guy is there. He's not done anything. Like that also we will say. So respect is very, very important, ma. We all work for to not get to love. Don't believe in love. Okay. That means love is good only, but love will change time to time. Okay. You need to that. So now see here, last year you are very, very passionate about Raksha Bandhan, brothers and sisters. Now this year what you are doing? You are in the class. So do you think that means the love is simply reduced so much about your sisters? Priorities. Priorities, no? Love is love only. That is priorities will change. But other side, what people will think? My brother is not loving me. Last year he came, this year he did not came. Like that. So respect is very, very important, ma. In the respect to get the job. If you get the job only, then only respect will come. If you don't get the job, means you need to earn money. Money will solve 99.999% problems. Okay. That 0.001% problem will solve, not solve. That is because of health, severe health issues. Remaining all will solve. That is. But how you are getting the money, ethically or non-ethically? If you are ethically, then your future generation will be safe. If you are non-ethically, you will do Katam Jindagi. Their Jindagi, not your Jindagi. Okay. That will turn up. So that's why respect will gone and one Jindagi will gone if you don't ethically, will not be ethically. So get the respect by doing the job. In order to do the job, what do you to do? Practice. Practice is only the key. Because data science is a subject. Is a subject. Is a mathematics. You need to put pen and paper. It is not like a DevOps, some cloud application. It's not like that. It is the excitement. It is a scientist work. It is the research and experiment. It is. So that's why people are again passionate about data science because it's because of the beauty. What is the beauty here? The subject. It is not like a tool. So do the practice every day. Do the practice. Get the job. Get the job. Once you get the job, all will come automatically. That is. So be mind that. Especially boys, you don't have any chance. You need to get definitely settle in the life. Because girls will by birth, they will by birth only they have values. Okay, they want to protect their values in the future. But boys, by birth, you don't have any values. You need to get the value. Okay, you need to get the value. And girls, future will no worries about future. Father will be there, husband will be there, children will be there. And if three are miss ho gaya, fourth one is what? They can learn, they can do the job. There are four options. But boys, only one option. You should only end. Okay, only one option. So boys' future is the important. Girls' future is, it's okay that is. We have so many options. So girls' values, they are already value candidates. But you don't have any value. Now you want to end the value. See how much typical issues. And again, girls, yeah, life we don't know when it will turn up and down. So definitely what required? Job. Job is required. If job is there, respect will come. I told you now. A guy earning 3 crores also, he will love only 2 years. After 2 years, what he will say? Okay, after 2 years, what he will say? Chup chop se baita in the kitchen room. That only he will say. But if he earn, they will give the respect. Once girl start the earning, na, automatically she will get the respect. He never say any word against you. That is. I am the example. I never said to my wife anything. Ah, that is. I never say. But she will complain me. Always. That's the thing. So that is only boys and girls difference. So job is very, very important, ma. Get the job, do earn so much, do early retirement, and enjoy the life. My wife is asking why you are doing so much work. Why you are doing so much work? Your health is, what about your health? Then I got doubt. My father is always asking, why, what happened to your throat? Why you are doing so much this kind of things? Because you are already earning a good money in the IT industry. Why you want to do always this thing? Then I got a doubt. Why I'm doing all these things? Huh? Because of more money, yeah? Huh? Everybody goes home. Now, generally, I am a so much kind of a charity kind of people. I am a kind of a charity person. If anyone is coming, na, I have so much kind, I will give total. I am that kind of thing person. So it is not about money. It is a completely self-satisfaction. That is, my students will know something always. Because have you ever think like that? Why people are not getting data science job? That is so many people, and they are claiming that freshers are not having job. Tell me, what could be the reason? What could be the reason? Huh? Lack of knowledge, but knowledge should give the trainer, no? It's because of connecting the dots. Connecting the dots. The connecting the dots are missing. Okay, you are not, because data science is the biggest vast. You are not able to connect in the dots. For example, in order to find that Ola, str.count of, you are using that Ola. Then what happened? In the future, there's another task is coming. You are not able to solve it. You're not able to solve it. So what you need to solve? You need to create your own logic, no? You need to create what you are not. You need to do own logic that you are not developing. So that's the way you are missing. You are not creating own logics. You are simply applying the value counts. And you are thinking that some magic will happen. Not you, because you already know that is how it is coming. Other people I am saying. That's why you are finishing the EDA in 2 days. Statistics in 2 days. Statistic theory, what you are developing, have you ever implemented that empirical rule with the Python? You developed. I'm thinking about that generalized world. Have you ever developed the empirical rule using Python? Have you ever observed why we are doing with Python? That is, suppose you are doing that covariance is there. Covariance correlation. You simply apply the CORR. You simply apply the heat map. You got some values 0.00. Then you are learning that in the textbook where 0.00 means independent each other. Have you ever put a pen and paper? Have you solved that? That is, we did in the class. The connecting the dots you are missing. The slowly what happen when machine learning comes, when ML comes, you are totally forgetting about, you are putting aside maths. Totally you are putting at maths. Then you are thinking that ML is the magic. ML is the magic. But ML is not a magic. Then people are asking the doubts on the ML questions and you are not able to explain that. So connecting the dots are missing. And you are feeling that deep learning is the biggest magic. Now generative AI is a completely black magic. Hmm? You are feeling, you are thinking like that now. Because of what? They know connecting the dots. They know in-depth knowledge. That is, you need to do, see here, you need to do a 10 samples. Suppose today we developed then the statistics, now like this, suppose some covariance we developed. Like this you developed in the class. Now this how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations are there. Now imagine that 70,000 observations are there. Are you able to do that? No, with pen and paper. That's why we are taking a help of what? Coding language help. So coding language is giving a help. You can walk, yes or no? But you are taking bike. Why? Because you want to travel so much distance. Means you are taking a one media help, one medium help. That's all. But you know how to go, na? That is very, very important. If you don't know how to go, that is a problem. The people are not getting job because they don't know how to go. They don't know how to go. That how this is working, they don't know. That's why they are not getting job. You need to think like a Python coding language is a machine language because we are not able to do with pen and paper. We are taking a help of machine. So that's why we are learning a coding. That's why we are learning a coding. That's all. That's why we are learning a coding. If you know the pen and paper, you can do with pen and paper. You know the logic. But you want the biggest thing, you are not able to do. So connecting the dots, now onwards, whenever you are doing anything with Python code means, have you able to do in the pen and paper or not? That's the question yourself. Once you understand that, you can easily get the job. We can talk more. Getting what I'm saying? Connecting the dots are important. Always. Remember that. So again, I'm telling you that Saturday I decided I decided felt so much bad. I spent 3 hours, but these people are not doing practice. So why I'm doing? So many my family members are asking questions. Why are doing all these things? Then then I decided I want to skip all the special sessions. I want to skip it, all the special things. That is because they are not doing that, because they are not showing the respect of the class. So why I want to do? You can believe that no. With the name of Naresh IT, every trainer will get 100 students. Okay, with the name of trainer, you'll get more 50 students. Then DevOps sir is saying that it's okay, na sir, 100 students are enough. No, why you want extra 50 students, sir? That is saying that. He given that. I thought like this. I never thought like this. He's saying that, sir, Naresh IT will give every trainer, sir. Now, in the name of Naresh IT, only people will come. With the name of you, more people will come. That's all. So why you want to take this much strain, sir? He's saying that question. So I don't want to argue with that. Okay, I don't want to argue with that because after the course completion, he will remember. He or she will remember. How he or she will remember? Like yesterday, one girl sent in a message about the task message. Okay, she is not our student. She is another trainer student. Why she messaged to us? Because she understood that her trainer is not capable to do this. That is. So this I don't want. This I don't want. That sense is I don't want. My student feel like that he has spent a time, quality time with me. Okay, that is only the blessings of me. That is indirectly blessings. But my voice is gone, everything is gone. I'm scolding, the family is scolding. Then I decided, I am a one-side lover. One-side lover, what you'll do? If you love me or don't love me, I will always love you. Okay. If you listen or not listen, if you do or not do, I will always try to give. Because I am a one-side lover. Okay. That is. Yeah, some people are there. Some people are there, but most of the people are like that only. Okay. So that is only. So Saturday I talked with the chairman, sir. He agreed with the free sessions. Then I realized why I went to talk to chairman, sir. After that evening, night time, I felt very so much bad. That is free sessions. He agreed. So we'll connect the Azure free sessions. So today they will create the paper. It is a Saturday evening. Saturday evening. Now the biggest question is how many attendants will come? How many will come? That is the question. How many will come? That is because I want to. It is both online and offline. Online and offline. And offline, we need to arrange the room, na? We need to arrange the room. So in order to arrange the room, 101 room is on the day we went up and down, na? So I need a count. I need a count. I hope everyone should attend from our class. Okay. Can I make at least 40 members? Pakka. More than 40. Our class. Offline. Offline people. Offline people 40. Because that room is only for cabul of only 120 only. If more people will come, we go to other building. That is only planning. That is 120 members only. 40. Because this is a free workshop now. Free for all. Free for all. Our students only will come, minimum 100 members will come. So that's why admins are asking me to, sir, take the counts sir one time of the students. Proper students, good students. Whoever comes. One day will come, one day will not come. That is not the thing is there. Okay. So 4 weeks, 4 Saturdays. Spend the 4 Saturdays. And he requested me give some YouTube videos also. I don't have time that for. YouTube videos, I want to start with the Langchain framework. Langchain framework. This is my interest. This is my interest. This is management interest. Okay. YouTube videos is the management. They are saying that your batch is, 1 month after that. So many people are asking your batch, sir, just use some YouTube videos. That is. So he is saying that I agree. So Langchain framework will conduct every Sunday. Every Sunday will conduct Langchain framework. The YouTube videos will be available free. And I want to planning this thing also. Oh, data science interview cracking. Interview cracking. So small, 10 minutes, 15 minutes videos. That is 10 and 15 minutes videos. But I don't know how time will sufficient. But these two attend without fail. If you want to attend, you need to do one favor. That is, the favor is you need to create the Azure account. To create the Azure account. Azure has two types of accounts will be there. One is Azure free tier. Azure free tier. And another one is Azure for students. Azure for students. Because Azure is a kind of a you need to do, okay, with a laptop. It is not kind of a theory, no? You need to get the cloud exposure. You know how to AI ML will works. It is a beautiful course. When I showed the chairman, sir is saying that it is very, very famous in USA because these kids are there in the USA, no? So in USA, so many people do certification course. So why we will not do? So you need to take the account. Azure for free tier is a $200 they will give. They will credit your account. They'll provide in your account. Not your bank account, right? Okay. In your Azure account. In your Azure account. Okay. And this will give $100. This will give $100. This validity only for 1 month. Okay. After 1 month, some services are free, not all. This validity till you will complete. Till credits over. Till credits over. The rule for this, you need to provide a credit card or debit card details. CC or DC details. You need to provide it. So they will deduct 2 rupees for the checking purpose. Again, they will credit 2 rupees. Okay. That is, they will deduct 2 rupees and again they will check the 2 rupees. Once $200 are over, you need to shut down the account. You need to, otherwise you'll shut down your credit card. Okay. You need to shut down the account. So this, you no need to provide the credit card. No need of credit card and debit card. Simply one college email ID will require. College email ID. College email ID means, right? Suppose omkar.nallagoni. I have a Gmail account is there. Not Gmail account. And it is a kind of a at the rate, suppose cognizant.com. Cognizant means what? Office one, right? Like this. Like this, your college will be there. Suppose IIT college is there. IIT dot. Suppose IIT.madras.com, like this. Like that, college email IDs are like that. Okay. So those are college students. This account will be get free. So listen the YouTube videos today. How to get Azure free account. Azure free account. How to get the Azure free account. Definitely this will be a kind of a course you'll really enjoy. Take the account. So I notice CMR people are getting the account. Getting the free account. CMR people. CMR people are getting the account. If you have any CMR friends are there, IIT college, university college, NIT college, friends are there, ask them. Okay. If you have an office is there, ask your manager. That is, get the free account. If you're not able to get the account, make the friend who is have the account. Okay. Ask him to share the credentials. That is keys. So that you can practice. But without account, it is not possible. Without account, you will not able to enjoy the class. You will not able to enjoy the class because hands-on is required. Tomorrow you want to write the exam, na? In order to get the certification. So that is. So when you will create the account by Friday or Thursday, online people, online students, when you will take the account, Katam, Gaya, online people. Hmm. That is also dictated there here. Azure for students, free account credit. Just click on here. Start with $100. No credit card. Free services. So free services. Learn about eligibility. Start free. Click on the start free. Lost the account. Use another account. But directly it is going here. Hmm. Okay, click on that. You will get it. And that's why you do one thing. Open any YouTube video. Just understand today how to create the. How many are CMR college students? Surender? Malaria fine. Student ID not there. Why? Due to some issues. Ask your friends. Ask your friends. Ask 2, 3 friends. Give it to your friends. Huh? they will get the email notification. They should ready to click on the email. Okay. They'll get the email notification. That is. Take your friends. If normal thing means what happened now? Azure free tire. I have so many students are there. No, I'll get anything. Any account I will get. I have so many students are there. So create Azure free account here. Pay as you go is there. Don't click on this. Only try Azure for free. If you have a credit card is there, $200 they'll give. Sign up and pay as you go. Remember that one credit card, one debit card, only one person. Only one. Everyone has a debit cards, no? That's fine. Only one person. Chalo. Create it and let me know. Evening 5 o'clock. Evening 5 p.m. Chalo, read the data. Import the packages. Import the packages. Read the data and convert categorical to numerical. Do it first. One hot encoder. In order to one hot encoder, we have a method called pd.getDummies. 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 You need to provide the data. You need to provide the data. Data means what? Any one column. Any one column. Provide it. Provide the case status column. Check it. Provide the case status column and check it. Please utilize the workshops and everything, ma. You know, that will be very, very helpful in the future. Very, very value added in the resume. Everyone, every project in the cloud only. Remember that. Every project they are using in the cloud only. So this is especially only for you. So please make it success. Nama. What is coming, ma? Visa DF. Case status. True false is coming. False means kitna re? 0. True means 1. Na? But if you want to convert into true false, no? There's a D type is there. Are you seeing D type? D type. Integer karo. INT karo. INT. D type INT. आ रहा है ना 01? Only INT. Coming. Very good. But give inverted order. I told now it's created 2 columns. See here above. Case status. Certified. Case status. Denied. 2 extra columns created, amma. Now can you add the column? Suppose this is a DF. Can you add the DF? Case status. Case status equal to visa DF. Case status dot values. No DF. Denied. Denied means what is the denied means? First 1. Because first row is what? Denied. Second row is what? So which row will be on? Certified row. Third one is what? So like that. Do it. Why we are taking values here? Actually, my main process is what? Actually, DF is what? DF is what? One data frame. Now I want to add one more column. I want to add one more column. We already know how to add the column. By using a give a new column name and provide the list of values. List of values. You know, right? How to create a new column. Suppose df dot some dummy column. Dummy column. I want to provide a list of values. What are the values? I for I in range of length of visa df, suppose. My main process is what? I want to create a column. Which column? Case status column. For that I know only this is what happened, series. When I converted, this is what happened, values. Getting the difference now? You know, right, already? This is what only, series. This is when you apply, this is what happened, list of values. Same like this, list of values. That's why I converted into what? Values. Yes or no? But we can do another way also. What is another way? This is one data frame. If you make this is another data frame, we can join the data frames. Two data frames. Imagine the situation like this. This is a data frame, one data frame. Which data frame? Certified and denied. PD.getDummy is data frame. Certified and denied. Now you have one more data frame is there. Which data frame? Only case status. Only case status. Only case status. I want to join these two. I want to join these two. Adding the two data frames. Adding the two data frames. Look at the board. Now, this is one data frame. df1, df1, df1. Okay, na? Now df2 is what? df2 bolo. Another data frame is what, ma? Case status. How to get the case status data frame? visa df double square bracket ना, सिंगल स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है तो क्या होता, सीरीज. डबल स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है तो डाटा फ्रेम, केस स्टेटस, df2. Online people following? Now I want to join these two. I want to join these two. Adding the two columns. Adding the two data frames. There are so many options are there. Merge is there. Join is there. Concatenation is there. Concatenate is there. And append is there. Now this is your today assignment. How to join the two data frames. How to join the two data frames. So we can do all four ways. All four ways. You need to identify each and every way. Merge you can do, join you can do, concatenate you can do, append you can do. Getting online people? Everyone. Concatenate we already done, na? Concatenate we already done. PD dot concatenate df1 comma df2 axis equal to 1 or 0. 1 అయితే columns, 0 అయితే rows. Concatenation we already done. That you need to do. Very good. So next. Again, PD dot get dummies. Instead of providing the single column, if I provide complete visa df, what will happen? If I complete visa df provide, what will happen? Chalo, try it. Try it. Tomorrow some float 32 into 64, sometimes it will not works. Mostly it will works, but sometimes it will fail. We don't want to take the chance. Then again we will get confused. Everything inverted comma is always good. BS or DF? True false? D type equal to? What is your observation here? Tell me. What is your observation? How many columns are happened? 25,000 columns. Before how many columns? 12 columns. You made your data is more complicated. That is why? Because we already know in the one hot encoder, in one hot encoder, a new columns will be created. A new columns will be created. The new columns are equal to length of number of unique labels, equal to number of unique labels. Number of unique labels. Case status, because of case status, 2 extra columns are created. Because of case status, 2 extra columns created. Because of continent, how many? Because of continent, 6 extra columns are created. Check it. Unit of wage here, unit of wage. This suffix prefix is there, na? Prefix is nothing but a column name. Case status denied, case status certified. Getting amma? And the biggest culprit is your ID column. ID has 25,480 unique are there. So 25,480 what happened? Extra columns. ID, case ID. The biggest culprit is case ID. Now because of case ID, because of case ID, 25,480 unique IDs. So 25,480 columns created. Because of case ID. 25,480 unique IDs, 25,480 columns created. Getting a online people? Please confirm the chat. Please be proactive, ma. Chalo, we'll do the drill. Iterate the columns. Get the unique labels. Append in the list. Get the length of the list. Do it first. For I in visa df dot columns visa df square bracket I dot n unique count equal to 0, count equal to 0, count equal to count plus only categorical columns, right? Only categorical columns, right? Cat columns. Cat columns. Print of count करो. $25,507 ma. 25,507 plus length of numerical columns. Are you getting ma what operation I am doing? Online people getting a 25,507 columns. I am taking the each categorical column. I am getting the n unique. I am counting the n unique. How many unique are there? How many unique? The same drill. If you avoid the case ID, how many columns will be there? Once से शुरू होगा. Only 30. Case ID हटाओ 30 columns. $27 are the categorical columns. 3 are the numerical columns. Total 30. If you avoid the case ID, if you include the case ID, 25,510 columns. So this is the biggest culprit. Case ID. Note on it. Understand the code. This is a very easy code ma. I am iterating that. I am taking the n unique. I am getting the count. I am getting the count. Means we are doing actually this. For in cat columns, look at the board. Still if you not understand. Print of visa df I dot unique. We are counting this. How many are there? Here we are counting this. Visa df I dot n unique. Count it. 6 plus 4 कितना रहे? 10 plus 2 12 14 14 plus 5 19 19 plus 4 23 23 plus 4 28 अरे भाई 27 आ रहा है 27 only ना that only we are doing counting. I just counted here. I just counted. Chalo, do it everyone. Why you why not fighting na? Anyhow, that is not matter. I know we need to drop that. He is a culprit. You people are not going for Rocky. Emma, no brothers. Your brother no. Even మరి క్లాస్ ఉందని పోలేదా లేదా డబ్బులు తక్కువ ఇస్తా అన్నాడా Government is not declaring the holiday for Rakhi, na? Why? Because Rakhi is not a festival. That's why. Not here. Odisha. Here they will not give that. They'll government feel like that it is not a festival. They are just celebration. Hmm. Okay. Krishnashtami also they will give all day. Krishnashtami. In Odisha. Here they will not give. And I show right now? Chalo, now write the points. Advantages. Which class? You have said 10:30, na? Using one hot encoder. Using one hot encoder. We will get new columns. The new column values. The new column values at a time. At a time. Only one will be true. Another will be false. Another will be false. Another will be false. The new column values at a time only. One will be true. Another will be false. Another will be false. Which means new columns are independent each other. Independent each other. Independent means what, ma? No relation. Independent means no relation. Independent means no relation. Means no multicollinearity. Multicollinearity. No multicollinearity. No relation. No multicollinearity. Following, Amma? Multicollinearity is an important property. An important property in machine learning. In machine learning, machine learning models. Machine learning models expect the column should be independent each other. Independent each other. Very, very important property, ma. Very, very important property. Machine learning models expect the column should be independent each other. Input columns. Input column should be independent each other, ma. So, one hot encoder gives the independence gives no multicollinearity. Very, very important, ma. The advantage. They will ask you when to use one hot encoder, when to use label encoder. Because converting the categorical to numerical, how many methods are there? Label encoder, one hot encoder. Label encoder means what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming. One hot encoder means what happened? New columns will be created. Understand the difference? Understand the difference? Here label encoder, look at the board here. This is a label encoder here. Here what is coming? 2, 3, 1 is coming now. 2, 1 column only, but what is value happened? 2, 3, 0. But one hot encoder? This education of employee divided how many columns? Again 4 columns. Because 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. At a time only who will happen? Only 1 will be on. Only 1 will be on at a time. See, only 1 will be on. This is on. This is what happened? All off. If this is on, everything will open. Off. That is called what happened? One hot. One hot. So that is the difference. Label encoder versus one hot encoder. Those are rows are increasing. Columns are increasing. Columns. Columns are increasing. 25,000. That only we check now. 25,000 because of the case ID. If you remove the case ID, how many columns? 27 plus 3 extra columns, how many? 30. Label encoder rows will not increase. Rows will same, only value will be changed. Label encoder, what happen? Visa DF, education of employee, this value, high school, become a one number. Okay? Masters become another number. How can you know that is which number? Unique lelo. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. It is in the alphabetical order actually. Alphabetical order means what happened first? 0, next 1, next 2, next 3. Like that. So that is the biggest difference about the label encoder and one hot encoder. But one hot encoder gives the advantage of what? No multicollinearity. What is giving? No multicollinearity. How can you are saying that no multicollinearity? Means one is true, another one is off means what? No relation, na? One is 1, another one is 0. Cos 90 kitna? 0. Cos 0 kitna? 1. 0 to 90 degrees difference is there, huh? That is called orthogonality. We learn it in the theory. You remember mantra? No relation means what? Independent. Independent means what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? 90 degrees phase shift. 90 degrees phase shift means what? Orthogonal. Remember or not remember? Katam jindagi. Very good. Good students. So, disadvantage. Note on this first. You need to explain this very, very important interview question. Difference between one hot encoder and label encoder. Tell me what is the difference again? Koncham. Raise the voice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bol. क्या हुआ? Start in trouble, try write this. Read it. One hot encoder will create the new columns. Okay, na? How many new columns? Equal to the number of unique labels. If one label is on, another label is what happen? False. Okay, na? That is about who is that? One hot encoder. Label encoder, what happen? In the same column only, the number of unique labels give the numbers. Correct? Huh? So what is the, why the one hot encoder is the more edge? Because of the multicollinearity. How that multicollinearity happen? Because true and false. True means kitna value? 1. False means kitna? How can you say that is a no relation? Cos 0. Cos 0 kitna? 1. Cos 90 kitna? X axis and like that you need to explain. Okay na? Disadvantage. Tell me what is the disadvantage? Tell me. So many columns. The disadvantage is it will increase many columns. The disadvantage is it will increase many columns. It will increase the many columns. In the above example, the total columns becomes 25,510. This is happened because of case ID. So generally in real time, we will drop the ID columns. In real time, we will drop the ID columns. In real time, we will drop the ID columns. Even though if we drop, still we are getting 30 columns. Still we are getting 30 columns. More columns means more time to process. We required more infrastructure. Infrastructure means GPU. For example, GPU, CPU, TPU, kind of. This is called curse of dimensionality. This is called as curse of dimensionality. Curse of dimensionality. This is called as curse of dimensionality. Curse of dimensionality. अब बोलो which is better, label one heart? Label one heart? Depends on problem. What do you want to say? Never. Data science is what? Experiment. Data science is what? Experiment. It completely depends on problem. Your manager, your client should think about that. Which one you need to go? You need to develop multiple models. By using one heart encoder, you will develop the model. By using label encoder, you will develop the model. Which model gives a good performance? That's the best one. Like that. We don't know which model will give the good performance. Even though you follow strict rules and regulations also, what will happen? Model will bakwas. That is. So that you need to think about that. Depends on problem. Never ever give the direct answer in the data science. Never. Okay. If any complicated question comparison will come, always say what? Depends on the problem statement. If you want, get some examples. Take the help of ChatGPT. Okay, give me two examples when to use one hot, when to use a label encoder. Note down it. That explained in the interview. That explained in the interview. Examples. You may create your own examples. Create your own examples. Chalo, very good. Next. Next, take new notebook. Standardization and normalization. Online people, I am going next, ma. Online students. Standardization and normalization. Do you remember anything about standardization, normalization? बोलो रे सुरेंद्र. Standardization and normalization. First, read the data. Import the packages. Read the data. First, import the packages. Read the data. Always you need to do this. Shubham is very good. Standardization, normalization. बोलो. Z score रे. Standardization, normalization. हाँ. Scale the data ना. Scaling up the data. We are changing the data. What are the two methods? Tell me. Z score ना. अरे बाप रे. बोलो Z score formula. X minus mu by sigma. Amma. Thank God. Z score. X minus mu by sigma. Chalo, we'll implement it. Now, I want to convert the prevailing wage data. Step one is read prevailing wage data. In order to calculate the Z score, first what we required, ma? X. X means what? X means what? कौन है? X means what? Girlfriend, huh? बोलो रे. X means what? Which column data? Which column data? Prevailing wage. Mu means what? Mean of कौन? Calculate mean of prevailing wage. Step 3. Sigma. Sigma is what? Standard deviation. Calculate STD of P wage. This step 2 now. Step 4 is what? Step 4 is the numerator. Numerator is what? Original data point. Step 1 minus. अरे बोलो रे फॉर्मूला. Step 1 minus. Step 2. Say ना. Anything tough in this? Numerator कौन है? शिवेंदु. Numerator is what is it? Step 1 minus. Step 2. अरे बोलो रे क्या रे बाप रे. Step 5 is what? Step 4 divided by step 3. करो. Do it fast. Exactly do it. Answer will come. Exactly. Exactly do it. Online people. Think like a machine, step by step. That is only our policy, na? Step by step. Only 10 members are saying the replies every time, online people. Exactly, do it step by step. Easy task. I'm expecting everyone should do this. You can just do na answers. Why you are writing? Don't write it. Do the answers. We are noting the points. Step 1 karo. Debash is done. I'm expecting everyone should do this. This is very, very easy task. Very, very easy task, ma. Shubham done. Mean, dot mean will come. Just apply the subtraction, Shubham. Step 1, step 2 karo. Exactly, that's all. No need to apply for loop. Step 1, step 2 karo, ma. Exactly. Step 1 minus step 2, that's all. Exactly, you do it. Answer will come. No need of any for loop. Exactly, do it. మెల్లగా డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు ఇక తరుణ్ మనకు రూమ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా డెడికేటెడ్గా డూ ఇట్ మా శృతిలయ డన్ స్వప్న డన్ శుభం డన్ సౌమ్యశ్రీ డెబాషిస్ సందీప్ జయ సరస్వతి ఉత్తమ్ చౌదరి విశాల్ సూరజ్ and these people are only responding in the chat. Remaining people, no one is responding. Don't know whether they are doing or not doing also. How many are done? Easy only. Amen ma. Girls. Suresh done. Easy question ma. Easy question. Easy question. Rana, ఏమైందమ్మా? First step is what? Tell me. P data, wage data equal to visa DF square bracket prevailing wage. Okay na? Next what? Wage mean equal to visa DF prevailing wage dot mean. Very good. Now wage STD equal to visa DF square bracket prevailing wage dot STD. How many are done these 3 steps? Very good. Next numerator. Numerator equal to step 1. What is the step 1? Wage data minus step 2 is what? Wage mean. And finally final scaled Z scaled wage data equal to numerator कौन है रे? Numerator means by denominator कितना? Wage standard deviation ना? So numerator divided by wage standard deviation. Now Z, wow, आ गया. Can you take that new data frame in this? This is a new data frame. Which one ma? A data frame? ఇక్కడ ఏదో చేద్దాం. Very good. Visa DF square bracket ఇదే కదా అనేది. That is equal to Z scale data. So we created a new column. We'll compare these 2 columns, original column and new column. Now compare these 2 columns. How one data point is changing to another data point. So visa DF square bracket first column is what ma? Prevailing wage comma second column is what? Z scale 592 convert into minus 1.39. 80,000 converted into 0.16. That is a comparison. How many are completed end to end? End to end. This end to end. This one. Raise your hand one more time. I want to see. Online people. Very good. So that is only the development. Without package you need to do. There is a package will be there always. Always a package will be there. But we don't love the packages. We love our own skills. Own skills are very, very important. Getting on online people. This will boost your confidence. Now the assignment is same like that. You need to develop this one. Same like this you need to develop. What is the first one? Read the data. Second one is what? Minimum. Third one is what? What is the numerator? Step 1 minus step 2. What is denominator? Step 3 minus step 4. What is step 5? Step 4 minus step 5. Like that. Step by step you need to do. Getting you need to come with this. Tomorrow we will do unless more. Chalo, so much happy ma. If you are able to do this, then I will so much happy. If you do, I will happy. If you don't, I will not happy. I don't know somehow. Like I am a coach, no? Like kind of Gambhir. If you win, then only will happy. Otherwise, no happiness. Chalo, thank you so much. We need to compare, some more comparison is there. We will do that tomorrow. You have 2 assignments are there. One assignment is what? What is the first assignment? Merge, join, append, concatenate. What is the second assignment? Bolo re. Min max scalar. What is the min max scalar formula? X minus X max, X minimum. Katham. Interview will play with you like me only. Chalo, enjoy. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.